Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create stunning photo mosaic portraits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Now open a photo you like to use in this project. First step is to organize all of your photos that you are using to this project. Place all the photos into a folder. After you place all the photos into a folder, go to Photoshop. Now go to File, Automate and choose Contact Sheet 2. Use Folder. Click Choose and locate folder which you placed your photos. Now click OK. Choose Inches. Uncheck Flatten all layers. The width 12, the height 8 and the resolution is 150 pixel per inch. Mode RGB colors and 8 bits per channel. I place thumbnail across first. Number of rows and columns should be the same. Example, I am using 8 rows and 8 columns, which total 64 photos. If you are using 5 rows and 5 columns, you want to place 25 photos to your folder. Uncheck Use Auto Space. The vertical and horizontal are both 0 inches. Check Rotate for best fit. Now click OK. Photoshop will now automatically pausing each photo from your folder to own layer and layer mask.
One hour later.
Now grab the moving tool. Then click Auto Select. By clicking the specific photo, Photoshop will auto select the layer and layer mask. Click the change link icon to unlink layer and layer mask. To resize the photo, open Transform tool by pressing Ctrl plus T in your keyboard. Go to a corner and when you see an arrow, press and hold Alt plus Shift. To slide the photo, use the arrow key on your keyboard, then press enter. Do the same method to every photo. You may notice the thin white border in the edges. To remove, open your rectangle marquee tool and drag the selection of your document just before the border. Then go to Image, Crop and press Ctrl plus G to deselect it. Go to Edit and define pattern. Name what you want and click OK. Now open your subject. Click the adjustment layer icon and click pattern. Now click the little arrow. Now you can see your music pattern. Now click it. Change the scale into 30%. Don't worry, you can adjust the size anytime. Now click OK. Change blend mode to overlay. Now select your background layer and right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Image, Adjustment, then Shadows Highlight. Click Show More Options. Adjust them depending on your image. Now click OK. I like to see my pattern a little bit bigger. So I'm going to double click the pattern layer and change the scale into 50%. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.